Good morning. This is Jared Moore with Mvskoke Media, and I just wanted to start the stream a little bit early to give you guys some context as to what's happening today. If you have seen our previous coverage, we were sure that there was going to be a Supreme Court hearing in the election challenges filed by Adam Jones and Lanissa Jack Melton. We didn't know what day, but earlier this week, the election board posted this to their Facebook. And this letter references... Oh, hold on, this isn't the one. Let me get the one. Yeah, no, this is it. This letter references a Supreme Court hearing on Thursday. So we contacted the Supreme Court to try to find out, because MCN code states that the justices are to issue an oral decision at the end of the hearing. So we contacted them to try to find out where we could get that oral decision. And they told us that there was going to be 2 hearings live streamed on their website today. So that's what we're going to be watching. The first one is the 10 a.m. pre-trial for the impeachment hearing for Representative Travis Scott. And then at 1:30 we have the hearing concerning the election challenges filed by Adam Jones and Lanissa Jack Melton. So with that being said, oh, and I'll be in the chat here. If you guys have any questions, just pop them in the chat, and if I can answer them, I will. I'm going to take myself off, and then I'll just be trying to refresh the Supreme Court's website to get the video going. And if you don't want to watch it here, you can always go to the Supreme Court's website to watch it directly there. With that being said, I'm going to take myself off. And if you're just tuning in, we're trying to get the live stream for the Mvskoke Creek Nation Supreme Court up and running here. We're not actually in control of this part. We're just restreaming what they're streaming to their website. So just be patient with us until we can get whatever get their stream up and running. Mado. Just want to pop in real quick while they're doing, I guess, the benediction here. We're not getting any audio from their stream. I'm trying to figure out what the problem is. So.
Good morning. Be seated. Little ground rules before we start. Anytime someone is going to be speaking at the podium or the mic at your desk, please remove your mask so that the court reporter can hear everything that everyone is saying, because it's very important that every word is spoken be heard, and that she cannot properly get the correct statements that are being made. So, that being said, we're here today on the Court of Impeachment for the National Council.
It looks like their stream has gone down there. Let me see if I can get it back. They've lost their stream. Let me keep working on it, guys, and see if I can get it back. Like I said, we're not actually in charge of their streaming part, so there's not much I can do. I'm just going to keep trying to bring it back, and if you guys have any questions or anything, just pop them into the chat while we're working on this. We're actually going to call the Supreme Court clerk and see if they can fix the problem on their end, because we're still not getting any stream here. I don't know for sure what's going on with that. So we'll try to get it back up for you guys as soon as we can. Once again, guys, we're just trying to get the Supreme Court's website to come back up. We had it for a second, but it looks like their stream has gone down. We're trying to call them and give them a heads up that their stream isn't broadcasting, but understandably nobody's answering the phone. Oh, here we go. Maybe this is it. Hold on just a second, guys.
Of this issue, and appreciate Your Honor's explanation of why the stay is being placed in this case.
Did you get all that? Okay.
Yes, Your Honor, I did. This is Jeremy Pittman. I'm here representing Travis Scott, who is also here in person at the council table. I have no further questions. I understand the court's ruling and believe it is appropriate and well dictated, Your Honor.
That being said, we're not in the court of impeachment right now, but as for today's hearing, these matters are adjourned till further order of the Chief
Your Honor,
Justice.
I apologize. I do have one question.
You're not on your red light. Does that mean you're on or off? Okay, go ahead.
Is it on?
Speak a little
Okay.
closer.
Yes, I apologize. I don't speak very loud. Federal judges used to yell at me for that, and I don't mind you telling me to speak up. That doesn't bother me at all. What my question was, what's being remanded to the district court, and have those issues? I just wanted to make sure
Okay,
that,
it looks like...
the judge had all the briefing.
no,
If
we're
they're
back.
not, they will be.
Okay,
What we have, as a matter of fact, these were filed in the Supreme Court and they have a Supreme Court number. In retrospect, I should have been filed with the clerk of the National Council because that would have been the proper proceeding to follow,
right,
because this is really not an appellate case to the Supreme Court. So really the Supreme Court number is probably a misnomer, shouldn't have been there. However, what has been filed will be transmitted back to the district court.
Oh, I see. Okay, I understand, and I appreciate that. Yeah, we had a question on actually filing documents because an appellate rule was cited back to me, and I wasn't under the impression that this was an appellate issue. It was actually an issue before the impeachment court.
So, and as all your motion for protective order is also, or who filed a motion?
I did.
Okay, that will be litigated also in the district court, so that if the court feels like you're entitled to it, then the court will so rule. But that's
Yes,
up to
Your
the
Honor.
district judge.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, I have one more question. So with the court staying the proceeding at this point, all future dates with the court of impeachment are stayed until further order of the district court?
That is correct.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No other questions, no other business before the court. The court stands adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so it looks like what's happened here is there was some matter that we didn't get because the stream was kind of in and out. But what it looks like happened is it's been, whatever the matter was, it's been remanded back to the district court until the court has the district court has issued its decision. So anything we'll see next should come out of the district court as far as the impeachment process. I think it's kind of, I'm just paraphrasing kind of what was you guys just saw there. So we're going to come back at 1:30 with this same thing to do a live stream of the election challenges being heard before the Supreme Court, filed by Adam Jones and Lanissa Jack Melton. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you again at 1:30. Mado.